Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. We have a guest host today. It's Kenya's Decor Corner, and the theme is Christmas red and green. And as you can see, I have a little Christmas houses and Christmas trees with snow covering them all up on a pedestal. And the little houses are lit up, so it is battery operated, and I've had this for years. And I have it all on a beautiful Christmas tablecloth that I did inherit from my mother. And I have these battery operated red candles. And I have this cream colored napkin with a pretty Christmas red tassel, a water glass, and a goblet that says loving cup, and a cruise anchor, because we just got back from a cruise that we had absolutely wonderful time with the family. And then I'll start with the cupcake. This is a faux cupcake from Amazon, and I have it on this little glass disc. And then my Christmas ribbon place setting. There's the dessert dish and the dinner dish, all on a red poinsettia placemat. So that made for a very Christmassy tablescape, and it has a matching cup and saucer. Now, this whole Christmas dinner setting I had thrifted through Facebook Marketplace. And I have a salt and pepper shaker that looked like little tin soldiers. And there's the other one. Those were from the Dollar General. And I have my centerpiece up on a pedestal with a really pretty Christmas wreath around it. Now here is the other side of the Christmas village, where you can see the carolers. This is very tiny, and then there's a sleigh with some, if you can make it out, it looks like there's people in it. It used to play music, but it doesn't play music any longer. I've had that for about 20 years. And then I have a little candle under this little cloche. And I have two of those. And here is the other faux muffin. Okay, and one last look of the tablescape for today. I want to thank Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and also from Kenya Decor Corner for being the guest host. I want to thank you all for watching. The rest of this is set to music. Have a very Merry Christmas.